Good morning, good morning. It is your boy Rome, and we are back again with another video on this beautiful December 14th. It is a Monday, and it is cold outside, y'all. I'm not gonna lie to you. I had to ride around the block before I made this video to make sure the heat was circulating because, woo, let me tell you, it is cold as freak outside right now. Anyway, we'll get to this video, man. Talk this shit. Got my young lion with me just in case shit get ill. He gonna kill, you know, blood, it will get spilled. But I guess my concern today is just gurus online. People telling you can get rich online. You know, YouTube is going crazy with these ads. And it seems like every time I receive an ad before, during, and after a video, it's some dude trying to tell me how I can make money online. Be it Amazon, FBA, be it some kind of scheme, be it, you know, some dude telling me that I need to quit my job and I need to, you know, have a more fulfilling life, you know, even though I have yet to be able to do it. And I cannot truly say I've ever met a person who was 100% financially free without doing any work. I know it's a lot of guys on TV. I know it's a lot of guys on YouTube, but you cannot believe the hype, man. These dudes out here are really just capping, man. Most of these dudes' life is for rent, you know. There's not a lot of ownership going on. There's not a lot of real work going into it. And 9 times out of 10, man, these dudes are lying, you know? I hate to say it, they lying. A lot of the money that they make comes from you spending their money trying to figure out what they talking about, you know? I've fallen victim to a couple guys who have told me, hey, you know, you should listen to what I got to say. You should watch this video. You should go take $500, $600, $700 and go buy a bunch of bullshit from overseas and put it online. I'm not saying that it doesn't work. I 100% believe that you can make money doing that. But to say that anybody and everybody should be able to do it is kind of false. I think if you're going to be good at something, man, you have to put in a lot of work. You have to fail. You have to figure out what works and what doesn't work. And just to enforce that message that, hey, man, you don't need a job. You know, your job is trash. Your job is this. You're not doing this. You're not doing that. You're not happy. You're not riding Lamborghinis all day. You know, you're not pushing the foreign. You know, you're not pulling up with the drip. That seems kind of crazy. And if you continue to, I guess, just dwell in that concept that you ain't shit and you should be doing something else, man, you gonna feel super sad all day. I'm not gonna lie to you. When those videos pop up in my videos that I watch on YouTube, and a dude is telling me, man, you ain't shit because you work a job. Do you work a job? Are you tired of working? Do you want to make more money? Do you want a more fulfilling life? Those dudes are capping. 9 out of 10, those dudes are capping. And they are working their ass off. They are not, you know what I'm saying, just kicking and doing all this shit. 9 out of 10, that's a setup. That car is fake. The suit is fake. The house is rented, man. And they are lying to you. How do I know this? How do I know this? If it was that easy, man, if it was literally that easy, everybody would do it. That's all you got to know. That's all you got to know, man. Anybody who's giving out 100% free information, they just going to give it to you for free, bro. You just finna make $1 million. You don't know this guy. He's paying to run these ads. And not only is he paying to run these ads, he wrote a book. He put hundreds of videos online. And this man is telling you, not only is he going to give it to you for free, not only is he going to give it to you for free, he's going to help you out as you do it. All you have to do is go to his website and enter your email, man. I don't know. To me, it sounds like a scam. To me, it sounds like somebody is really just trying to get that paper up off you, because what is the point? Nobody does anything for free. Nothing is free in this world. And if you believe that, man, you're going to fall victim to the game, man. Like pyramid schemes. Pyramid schemes. What is a pyramid scheme? First, let's talk about what a pyramid scheme is. A pyramid scheme is basically a business that you get paid based on having other people spend money on nothing, right? Think about that for a second. Your job is to help people spend money on absolutely nothing with the hopes that they will build a team of niggas that's complete suckers and get out the game on top. To me, that makes no sense, man. You know, once again, I've fallen victim to a pyramid scheme. You only become aware of these schemes by getting into it, because from the outside, it seems 100% plausible, man. You know, because you believe it. And if you believe it, you believe that other people believe it. You tell this man, you say, hey, listen to me, man. I need you to give me $100 now. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to help you find 4 people to give you $100. The number one thing you want to know is it a pyramid scheme? Is it a pyramid scheme? Is it somebody trying to get that paper up off of you, you know, through means of scamming, through means of lying, through means of telling you something that's not true and hyping and souping your head up so you believe some stuff that you wouldn't normally believe if you didn't see everything that they were trying to show you, you know? I remember the guy, he used to show up on YouTube all the time. He would show up in the meetings and he would basically say, hey, you know, I'm in my garage. I could teach you how to get this same stuff, you know, because I read a lot of books and I know what all the top people are telling you, you know, I know that information. And I actually came across this guy because I was actually just reading books. I was actually trying to get some information from books. And he was trying to teach people at the time how to read fast. You know, he was teaching you how to do the shit where you just move your finger around like this. I should have known he was cap at that moment. But he started coming out with these videos where he was in his garage and he was explaining to people, he was like, yo, you know, I could teach you how to make money through these businesses. All you have to do is just go to all these local businesses who are just like mom and pop shops who don't have a lot of money, and you can show them how to make money. Because if I can show up in your news feed, I can also show you how they can show up in the news feed and they'll pay you. You know what I mean? Brilliant business model. What is the problem with these pyramid schemes? The problem with these pyramid schemes is it's very difficult to do the shit that they are telling you to do, you know, and that's the number one problem with pyramid schemes. You know, it seems like it's a very great idea, just like the Married at First Sight. It seems like it's a very good idea, but you have no idea who this person is. You know, you have no idea what their triggers are. You have no idea why they are so jaded. And eventually you find out. And a lot of times it's a very, very quick discovery of who this person is and what they're doing. Trying as hard as you can, man. The topic of this video came up from watching a show that I often like to frequently watch. You know, it's a show called Married at First Sight. I don't know if you guys have heard of it, but I'll let you know what it is. It's a show that comes on Lifetime. The premise of the show is a couple doctors who are relationship experts, you know, therapists, different things like that. They basically interview all these people and they put them together. They say, hey, we're going to get to know you. We're going to go to your house. We're going to meet your friends, meet your mama, meet your cousin, go through your drawers, all this, and figure out who you are, you know, and what you want. And we're going to match you with another person that we did the exact same thing with. Apparently they're from the same city, but they get married at first sight. The first time that they meet each other is at the wedding ceremony. And the problem comes when these people who seemingly should be okay to deal with each other cannot seem to get along, man. You know, and an overwhelming theme of this season that I've seen is just women, and I say women, you know, because in my opinion, there was more of a thing that I saw with the women than I saw with the guys. But the women did not know how to love. And not even not know how to love. It seems as if they were not giving it all they had. And for whatever reason, it was very apparent to the partners. They noticed it also. And so did a lot of people. I saw this comment coming up a lot when I was doing a little research. Trying as hard as you can, man. You know, sometimes you have to put forth an effort, you know, and not only put forth an effort, you have to put forth an effort so strong that you cannot fail. It seemed to me like a lot of these women just wanted things to happen because at some point in life, they maybe have been jaded. Maybe somebody has cheated on them. They've lied, and they are not willing to put forth the effort that they would have put forth maybe a few years before. Maybe if the situation that happened to them, you know, wouldn't have happened, they would have tried a little bit harder, man. It probably wouldn't have been as difficult for them to open up, you know, and really understand why they were put together with these other people. Situations like that happen often in life, you know. As you go through life, you become more and more jaded, you know. The original topic of this was like, scamming and, you know, people online and gurus and stuff like that, trying to get you to do stuff that you know is just complete cap. You know, you can make $1 million online. You know, I can show you how to quit your job in 30 days. You know, I'm gonna give you this information absolutely free. I want you to go out, take this information, and then you're gonna be able to start a business out of nowhere, you know. And the problem with this is not everybody is capping, man. Not everybody is trying to scam you. I think sometimes information is valuable, but are you jaded? And are you not willing to put in the maximum amount of effort to receive, you know, the blessings and all, you know, and you feel like you got duped? You've spent some money, you've spent some time, you've invested, you went to your homies, your mama, your daddy, your cousin, auntie, friends, and random people that you don't know, and you've given them complete cap, man. Now you don't believe in yourself, you know, you're down on yourself. Now you like, I can't believe this fool done told me I could do all this. And I actually went out and told everybody that I know that they should do it too. You feel like a complete idiot, but you don't have to, man. It's the nature of the business. A pyramid scheme is a pyramid scheme, and whoever falls for it, fell for it. All those people that were in those meetings that you met, all those people that was talking to you, I guarantee they are probably no longer doing those pyramid schemes anymore. And the reason why is because it's usually capped. I know a lot of people who started FBA businesses. You know, they said, hey, I'm gonna go Alibaba, I'm gonna go, you know, DH Gate, all these places online. I'm gonna look for some people. I'm gonna buy a bunch of bullshit, put my name on it, and I'm gonna put it on Amazon and make a bunch of money. Then you start running into these problems, man, because it's not as easy as they make it seem. It's not as easy as they make it seem. You know, they make it seem like you are getting some type of like, I can't think of the word, but you're getting this knowledge that's just, ain't nobody else got it. They got the secret to it. They are balling because they figured out how to dupe the system. And that's not true. You can't dupe the system. I mean, I'm sure you can, but those people end up in prison, man. A lot of those people, you know, you can dupe the system, but a lot of those people end up in prison, you know, and it's just one of those things where you got to be careful. You have to be careful, but you have to be careful to a certain extent. You know, you don't want to be jaded. You want to take chances. You want to get out here. You want to try, and you don't want to, you know, quit, and you don't want to stop, and you don't want to stifle yourself, because just like situations like Married at First Sight, some opportunities are real. You know, some things really can work out, and it's just how much effort you put into them. But if you find yourself falling for these pyramid schemes, man, you might just want to go back to school, man. I'm not gonna lie. You might just want to go get you an education, get you some kind of trade, and learn how to get you some money, man, because these pyramid schemes is going to make people want to whoop your ass, because in order for you to make money, you have to lie to people. You have to tell people cap. You know, I got tricked twice. 2 times in my life where I end up showing up at these meetings where it's like, hey, it's going to be here, it's going to be down at the hotel, we got like a ballroom, you know, is this, I want you to come out, it's going to be cool. And you get there and it's a motherfucker trying to tell you how you can make money, you know, fixing people credit. You ain't even got good credit, you know. They say, hey, outside of us fixing everybody's credit, we can fix your credit. Just give us money anyway, you know, and we'll show you what it is. And, you know, I just had to shake them because I cannot see myself investing in a business like that. I'm sorry. It just seems like a pyramid scheme. Hope y'all like this video, man. Holla at your boy. Be back in another one tomorrow.